Students, today we are going to see exercise 13.1 on page 263 of your textbook. Now, question 1, I just go through because this I cannot show on the board, so I am going in a textbook. List any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. So, the 4 symmetrical objects can be notebook, wall clock, dining table, and a blackboard. Okay, symmetrical now you means you know that when it is divided into two equal parts it looks exactly same as no matter of left or right direction, it looks exactly same. Okay, now for question number 2, for the given figure which one is a mirror line, line L1 or line L2? This is line L1, but it is not. You can see when line L1 is dividing a figure, it is the portion which is in a rectangular form is more bigger compared to the triangle, so it is not a symmetrical or mirror line. So line L2 which you see vertically, which is crossing the figure, right? This is a mirror line or a central line dividing the figure into two equal parts. So line L2 is a mirror line which divides divides an object into two equal parts. Okay, now question number 3, you can see some of the objects had been drawn here. You have to check that in which object line of symmetry is possible and in which shape it is not. You can see I had drawn a line in a lock, vertical line. This is a mirror line which makes a lock divide into two equal parts. A pot or a glass, whatever you can consider, is also when I just draw a vertical line in between the shape, right? That vertical line divides a pot into two equal parts. Now see, I cannot divide because whenever I just make a vertical line, it will not make an object look exactly same after dividing it into two parts or making a mirror line in between. So option C, in that object symmetrical symmetry is not possible. Now in a telephone it is also possible. You can see vertical line that divides telephone into two equal parts. E, I had gone with this horizontal mirror line in between this shape which is also dividing object into two equal parts, and option F also divides a figure into two equal parts after drawing a mirror line. So hopefully this is clear to you. Question number 4 will be your homework. Now coming on to question number 5. In the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. Now you can see in your textbook this much portion of figure is given. This much portion is given. We have to draw exactly according to the drawn figure, right? With the blue ink, you can see there is a drawn object or figure in your textbook. You have to complete it exactly how it is drawn. So first of all we'll go a horizontal line like this, right? So this and this is now symmetry, and I will draw this line here to complete my triangle. So this gets over with the exactly this middle line what you see is a line of symmetry L. This divides shape into two equal parts. This is already drawn and you have to draw exactly same like what they had drawn. Now this you have to continue the activity, that is question number 1, question number 5 and question number 6 in your notebook. Okay, now I come on to question number 6. I come on to question number 6. Here also in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry what you see, vertical line. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so it becomes symmetric. Now you can see this blue color triangle is given and a line of symmetry is crossing this triangle here. So we have to draw this exactly same figure what they had drawn. So now this line of symmetry, after this is a portion which is after line of symmetry. So we will draw here also a line segment which is near to the line of symmetry, equal distance to the line of symmetry. Then we have a triangle, so we will draw the triangle to complete our diagram, right? So when this line, now you can check it out, this line, when line of symmetry is dividing an object into two equal parts, the drawn object with a blue ink and the what I had drawn are looking exactly same, that is they are looking as a symmetrical objects. They are dividing it into two equal parts, they look exactly same after dividing into two parts. Hopefully this is clear to you. Thank you.